Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I hope all of you are doing great and are keeping safe. Well, for today's video, I do have some good news which I will be sharing with you because there's been lots and lots of questions and also confusions whether or not is Goa under a lockdown or whether there is certain restrictions or is there a curfew. So today's video, I will be covering all of this. I will also be giving you information about nightclubs and casinos as well, whether they are open and functional. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Alicia. I currently live in Goa. I give you regular updates and also I make videos on places that you should be visiting, restaurants that you should be eating at, and a lot of fun videos, so do go check them out. And if you like today's content, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. So the first good news for all the tourists is that there is no night curfew that is in place. Just 2 to 3 days back, there was news that there is a night curfew from 11 p.m. until 6 a.m. in the morning, but at this point in time, there is no night curfew or anything as such. And this is valid till the 26th of Jan. So they might impose certain restrictions or anything as such post the 26th of Jan, for which you will have to stay tuned to my channel to get regular updates. So currently, all of our clubs, casinos, and the night cruise, river cruises, all of this are functional. They're open. However, they are operating at 50% of capacity, and there will be strict norms that tourists have to follow as well. There are certain guidelines that which needs or mandates every tourist to wear a mask, irrespective if you are by the beach or anywhere when you are in Goa. So even if you are on a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler, you will have to wear a mask. And there are certain restrictions as well with regards to the outdoor gathering. So no more than 100 people are supposed to be gathered in one place at any given point in time. There will be strict rules that we will all have to adhere to, as there will be police which will be deployed all over to make sure that everyone is staying safe and also wearing their masks. Also with regards to your RT-PCR and your double vaccination certificate. So because I keep getting asked again and again the same question, whether or not do tourists need to have an RT-PCR negative certificate. Yes, everyone needs to have a negative RT-PCR certificate if you are not fully vaccinated. If you are fully vaccinated and if you have completed your 2 doses, then all you need to carry is your vaccination certificate, and that should be fine. And for those of you who are not fully vaccinated, and if you are getting your RT-PCR certificate, then it has to be within 72 hours and it should be from an ICMR approved lab. Well, an update with regards to Goa and the rising cases. Well, so we do have a lot of cases being reported on a daily basis. And I mean, it's just not Goa, but all of India as well. And we as responsible citizens need to make sure that we are traveling. And even if you are traveling, you need to be safe and travel only and when it is necessary. So my suggestion is that, if at all safety is your priority, then kindly put your travel plans on hold for some time until cases kind of settles down or comes down, and then you can probably always have your vacation later. So that's it for today's video. I thought I'll make it as simple as possible, short and sweet, just give you pointers. So if you did like today's content, do give it a big thumbs up, and until we meet again, bye.